In a combat situation, you require tactical advantage, but without proper preparation can be a terrible mistake, and choosing ineffective and bulky gadgets is equally foolish. So in this video, we have brought 11 incredible tactical military gear and gadgets that can win over any tactical situation. The Battle Belt Elite is a sleek range belt that doesn't mind remaining low-key but can burst out of any tactical situation where it's necessary. The Elite is made of 100% nylon, and the belt goes through the pant loop that remains tied to your body and prevents you from adjusting the belt every now and then. It has a compact design for people who don't like big chunky belts but prefer smaller yet handy ones. The outer side of the belt has hooks and loops that can attach gadgets such as magazines, walkie-talkies, as well as radio. Moreover, the Belt Elite comes in various sizes from 30 to 46 inches for the best fit and flexibility, and as a result, the belt is highly adjustable to carry even heavy guns, mag holsters, and many more. It wouldn't be wise to go into a battlefield without a ballistic helmet like the F90. The F90 ballistic helmet is the perfect combination of extreme performance and weight management. And this is visible after all, since the F90 is 15% lighter than any other ordinary advanced combat helmet. Now, how they have done it? Well, Avon used 100% ultra-high molecular polyethylene constructed shells to make the F90. And for an exceptional performance, Avon implemented their own helmet molding technology, and not a surprise that the F90 emerged as one of the highest performers in the impact and BFD testing on the market. Nitecore P23i is a high-performing flashlight made to win over any tactical situation. It's a light, compact, and powerful flashlight that can produce a peak 3000 lumens without sacrificing its runtime. And the P23i shows its versatility, as it can easily fit inside any pocket and has a steel bezel that's strong enough to break into places. This new generation 5000 mAh high-capacity battery is both detachable and charges through a USB-C port. Lastly, its IP68 rating proves how reliable the ProTac is when the weather gets extreme. Now, no one's quite got your back like a solid Assault Pack 12. What's amazing about this bag is it can stay highly functional yet low profile and mission packed with purpose when in need. This versatility is a result of a well thought out engineering that has a detachable padded carrying system and compartments. This bag is made of lightweight yet highly durable Cordura 700 DIN fabric that is recyclable. When you're on a mission, the full-fledged Assault can house a hydration pack, a laser cut maul, a hook and loop patch, 2 main compartments, and even a detachable front flap for helmets. Next up, we have the military's choice M50 Gas Mask. Avon Protection is recognized as a world leader for delivering military gadgets and gear worldwide. A respiratory mask can save the day, more importantly can save your life when stuck in the most suffocating situation. It comes with adjustable harnesses which ensures a perfect fit. Inside the helmet, you'll find all sorts of media for communication like ECP for both radio and optional voice projection. For an uncompromised field of view, it has a scratch-resistant panoramic visor that gives a wider view than other manufacturers. With so many extensions, surprisingly it doesn't feel claustrophobic inside because of the panoramic visor. Inside this panoramic shape, it has chlorobutyl rubber silicone blend to cushion users and provide them ultimate comfort with a high-flowing drinking device. So the M50 is the result of one of the most advanced respiratory mask technology for extreme military operations and ultimate protection. Tactical clothing is an underrated basic, and the Stryke Pants are all you need before jumping into a battlefield with the Stryke Pants. These pants are more than just comfortable and durable, since it's made with patented two-way flex-tack stretch fabric to face tactical situations with the ease of comfort. Moreover, its stain and soil-resistant Teflon fabrics ensure durability and protection against damage. Well, when tactical pants like these can stay so low-key and sober to retain anonymity, being popular is just a dividend. It has a total of 12 pockets for tactical use and is kept totally discreet. At the same time, these pants are very thoughtful to have large front pockets with knee pads and cuffs to carry any tactical essentials. Up next, we have the Arrowhead MLX hoodie, an exceptionally lightweight, breathable hoodie specially made for tactical purposes. This hoodie is commonly worn as a mid-layer under a combat layering system. Moreover, the hoodie has an all-weather protective solution that performs equally when worn alone without any layers in rainy and chilly weather. As a result, this massively helps with conducting full-spectrum combat operations or alternatively as an off-duty clothing. Furthermore, it has a low-profile hood with an integrated mask so that you can easily cover the whole face and stay anonymous. Lastly, for an amazing ventilation, the hoodie has a full zipper front. This enhances the comfort with the ease and easy access of donning and doffing. Alien Gear is a common name for enthusiasts because they take inspiration and listen to their customers to make calls for their product. And the Cloak Tuck 3.5 is upgraded, taking customers' valuable inputs with the blend of the latest technology and innovation. As a result, over 500 sizes and kinds of firearms can find home inside this holster. This slim and sleek design helps to stay calm and anonymous inside your clothing without causing any irritation to skin. In fact, the base is made of cool vent neoprene that allows airflow so that you don't feel any discomfort. And this time, Alien Gear eliminated screws, hardware, even rounded off the edges so that there's no accidental damage. Next, we have the mission-made Hellfox gloves to make sure you never run out of grip wearing this comfortable pair of hand gloves for any challenging tactical jobs. Of course, the first thing anyone will love is the hassle-free wearing experience thanks to its elastic cuffs. But for the best fit, these gloves have hook and loop wrist straps to ensure that adjusting is quick and efficient. For protection against injuries and harsh impact, the gloves are embedded with nice and hard molded knuckles, but that isn't all, as it's made of non-slip polyurethane for firm grasp of smaller items and ripped fabric, which offers a high level of durability for years. And being lightweight and impressively durable, these gloves don't feel irritating to wear for a more extended period. K-bar was one of the knives used by the United States Marine Corps in the World War II, so questioning K-bar legacy for building toughest knives is quite naive. But does the small TDI hold the same reputation? Well, the small TDI is built for the trickiest situations and sneakily win over them. The AUS 8A material showcases pure strength and versatility for both indoor and outdoor usage. It sits in disguise inside any clothing or inside any pocket because of its absolute compact size factor. In addition to the compact size, its rounded design language saves lots of space and gives a firm feel when users hold it. No combat situation is completely controlled without boots. To be precise, Rocky S2V Predator boots. Despite being rough and tough from the outside, these boots are extremely capable and comfortable for long-term usage. They are made of flash and water-resistant leather and 1000 dinar Cordura nylon with PTFE coating for protection against fire and flame. Its stretch lycra material ensures tight and comfortable fit even in the toughest of conditions. Yet, users don't feel sticky and soggy because of the advanced S2V vent technology that helps to circulate air in and push water out. Lastly, its incredible shock-absorbing Vibram inner sole works like wonders, providing ultimate durability and protection from light injuries. So, that was a list of 11 incredible tactical military gear and gadgets. Thanks for watching our video. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comment section down below, and please share this video if you find it to be helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews and buying guides, you can visit our website at gooutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.